Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you're having a lovely day. My name is Sarah. If you're new to this channel, I make Urdu related content every single week. You can just go on my channel, see all the playlists that I've created for you. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to tell your age in Urdu or how to ask someone's age. It's very simple. Age is Umar. Umar. It's a name as well. I know probably you've heard of this name. A lot of my students have Pakistani and Indian friends. So they always recognize the names. But here it's not a name. Umar is a noun and that's a feminine noun. Now the pattern will be your age, what is. Right? So the sentence is आपकी उम्र क्या है? आपकी उम्र क्या है? Aapki means your. It's a possessive adjective. Aapki. Umar. Aapki umar. Your age. Umar is a feminine noun. So the possessive adjective is agreeing with the noun that's coming after it. Aapki umar. Kya hai? What is? Kya hai? In Urdu, the verb always comes in the end. And the interrogative word comes before the verb. आपकी उम्र क्या है? मेरी उम्र 20 साल है. I'm 20 years old. मेरी उम्र 30 साल है. I'm 30 years old. 30 means 30. मेरी उम्र 40 साल है. I'm 40 years old. मेरी उम्र 50 साल है. I am 50 years old. My age, मेरी umar, and then you'll say the age. For example, you're 20 years old, you'll say 20 साल, 20 years, है, is. मेरी उम्र 20 साल है. My age, 20 years, is. I am 20 years old. मेरी उम्र 20 साल है. It's a taboo in Pakistan to ask someone's age. So don't ever ask someone's age in Pakistan. I don't know about India, but I know about Pakistan. Now there's another method or another way you can ask the age. You'll say, आप कितने साल के हैं? आप कितने साल के हैं? आप कितने साल के हैं? In the first method, we were using the possessive adjective like your age, but in this case, we are using a pronoun. Aap, you. Aap, kitne saal, how many years? Kitne, how many. Saal means years. How many years? You, how many years? Ke hain, of or. Ke means of. Are. How many years are you? आप कितने साल के हैं? How many years are you? The ka here depends on the person you're asking about, the number and the gender of the person. So this means आप कितने साल के हैं is for a masculine subject or probably plural masculine subject. Kake ki is a very important postposition. I'll make a video about it separately. वो कितने साल की है? वो means she or he. In this case, it means she because we are using ki later in the sentence. वो कितने साल की है? वो कितने साल की है? She, how many years of is. How old she is. वो कितने साल की है? How old she is. आप कितने साल की हैं? आप कितने साल की हैं? How old are you? आप कितने साल की हैं? For men you'll say आप कितने साल के हैं? If you're being informal, you'll say तुम कितने साल के हो? तुम कितने साल के हो? How old are you? That means that you're talking to a person you're very casual with. You don't have to be too formal. That is why you're using the informal pronoun, which is tum. Now let's see how to answer this question. Using the pronoun, you'll say I 20 साल का, of 20 years, हूँ, am. I'm 20 years old. मैं 20 साल का हूँ. मैं 20 साल का हूँ. The ka is indicating that the person who is talking is a man. मैं 20 साल का हूँ. If a female is saying that, she will say मैं 20 साल की हूँ. मैं 20 साल की हूँ. 20 is 20. So the formula here is the subject, number of years, ka ke ki, depending on the subject, the gender of the subject or the number of the subject, and in the end the verb is also agreeing with the subject. That means if the subject is plural, it will be hai. If the subject is singular, it is hai. So hai and hai, one is without a nasal sound, the other is with nasal sound. The one with the nasal sound is indicating that you're either talking to someone you respect or you're talking to many people. So that is it, guys. I make and edit this video by myself. It takes a long time. If you want to support me, you can support me on Patreon. Have a really lovely day. I'm gonna see you later. Goodbye.